So mic shy is actually all about what the hell am I going to say? It's not about being shy. If you knew exactly what to say, it occurs to me that when I'm live streaming, particularly on a Friday, and I will invite, is there any like M7, 6s or 3s, and that's the 10 watt foundation license. Maybe I'm on 80 meters and 40 meters daytime. I'm not expecting any DX there. I mean, I know sometimes on 20 meters we get through to Rowley, ZL1BQD and that sort of thing. I'll encourage those quieter stations, less loud, low power stations periodically, normally once a live stream anyway. And a couple of times I've had a caller who clearly has got what I can only assume is mic shy. Now, I had mic shy. I couldn't key the microphone. What the hell am I going to say, right? So I'm going to tell you what to say. And so you get over it, right? So for a start off, let's just, as a technique, watch your power meter when you talk and make sure it's kicking. If you're saying your call sign, your M7 ABC, make sure the power meter is getting at least kicking, all right? Because if you off, then nobody will hear. If you tail off, nobody will hear you, you see? Just the way it is. So we need to speak loudly. That's number one. So you might be shy, but we're going to have to talk loudly during this. Now, amateur radio, the only thing that people want to know is their signal report. That's it, okay? If you want to give them anything else, that's fine. So we will hear DL1 ABC, and he's calling CQ, and you decide that you're going to break your duck. This is it. In for a penny, in for a pound. You're going to give your call sign, and he does get back to you. And they're a bit terrified, all right? So you call. You say, you key the microphone. You watch the power meter, like Callum said. M7ABC. Now, what's he going to say? He's going to repeat your call sign because he wants to make sure he's got it right. M7ABC. Hello, it's Fritz here in Dusseldorf for Delta Lima 1 Alpha Bravo Charlie. You're 5 and 7 here in Dusseldorf. My name is, Fritz. Whatever, back to you. Now, you're terrified again, aren't you? Just copy him, okay? Because actually, all that's just happened is he's given you a name. He's given you a signal report. Now, you might not know where Dusseldorf is, but make a note of it anyway, okay? So all you have to do is repeat back to him what he said to you. Hello, Fritz. My name's Ben. You're 5 and 9 here. Speak loudly. Keep watching that power meter. And I'm in Manchester. Fritz, thank you very much for coming back to me. Have a lovely day. That's it. That's all you need to do, okay? Then you always do his call sign first and then mine later. And how you think it, because I hear people saying M7ABC, 2 DL1 ABC. I don't know if that's sort of air traffic control, but you always say their call sign first, DL1 ABC. Effectively, you're missing out the words, this is. You're missing out, this is. DL1 ABC, this is M7 ABC. All right? That's what you do. DL1 ABC, this is M7 ABC 73. Thank you. And thank you. All right, be nice and polite. Quite often, people make little funny notes in their computer log. They'll say, they'll write in your name, Ben, and they might say, really nice guy, things like that. When you come back, they'll give you a lot more courtesy. 6 months' time, a year's time, you might bump into him on another frequency, whatever else. So mic shy is actually all about what the hell am I going to say? It's not about being shy. If you knew exactly what to say, if somebody said, all I want you to do is key the microphone and read that out, you'd be able to, wouldn't you? I might look like I'm listening to you, but in my head, I play my drums. That's all for today. Thanks a lot. I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.